Today, our family is going to escape the noises of the city and get grounded by reconnecting with nature. One of our favorite places to do so is at the biggest park in LA and one of the largest urban parks in our nation. Our calm, our peace, our sanctuary, our park. This is Griffith Park.
Spanning 4,500 acres of mountains and canyons at the eastern end of the Santa Monica Mountains and running over 6 miles. It includes the Griffith Observatory, the Hollywood sign, over 50 miles of hiking trails, Travel Town, the zoo, the museum, the amphitheater, and even horseback riding.
Griffith Park is a significant ecological area, including 200 species of birds, 50 species of butterflies, 40 species of mammals, including mule deer, coyote, raccoon, gray fox, possum, skunk, bobcat, and a mountain lion. So why do you think we need parks in our cities?
Well, for one reason, because there's always buildings and there's no nature. So
Right.
that's why we need like big parks.
Why are trees important in parks?
So if we don't have trees, we can't breathe.
Right, they give us oxygen, right?
If the world didn't have oxygen, we wouldn't be alive.
Right. So without trees, we would literally die.
Yes.
Therefore, we need as many trees as we possibly can have, right?
And that's why we love them.
Right. And especially in a city where there's all this carbon, there's all this smoke and smog and dirt and filth.
Garbage.
We need recycling, right?
Yes.
We need recycling of that air, and that's what our trees and our plants and our flowers do, right? Why else do you think parks are important in a city?
Well, because they're beautiful
True?
and we need some beautiful things in life.
Totally. And that's a good point. If parks bring us emotional happiness, right? Not only, and physical, right? Because you get out in the park and you play, and we get our physical exercises in the parks, right?
Yeah. Also, you get vitamin D.
Right. We're out in the sun, we're getting vitamin D.
And we're playing, so it's a win-win
Totally.
for our body and ourselves.
Totally.
Seeing how we are finding nature's heroes, we wondered, who are nature's heroes in the city? Chief Joe Lazzarelli and his team of rangers are responsible for the safety and preservation of all city parks within the city of Los Angeles. They teach educational programs throughout the city parks, educating young kids about wildlife and vegetation.
But the biggest heart and soul of Griffith Park is the people of Los Angeles. They are the caretakers, the lovers, and the preservers of the nature. One example of the nonprofit is Friends of Griffith Park. They conserve its essence, its irreplaceable environment, and the history it unfolds. Friends of Griffith Park work to preserve Griffith Park as LA's signature green and open space.
It takes many volunteers and organizations to take care of the park. So our very first Nature's Hero Award goes to the people of Los Angeles. We do not take this park for granted. It's where we have our birthday parties. It's where we ride our bikes. It's where we go hiking. It's where we get lost in the woods. It's our home, away from home. It's our nature in the city.